Why is it that most middle-class people work their entire life, earn a decent salary, do everything right, and still never become rich? Think about it. They study hard, get a degree, find a job, earn money, take loans, buy a house, pay EMAs, and repeat this cycle for years. It sounds normal. But this normal life is the real problem, because this system is not designed to make you rich. It is designed to keep you comfortable and dependent. Middle-class people are not poor, but they are also not financially free. They are stuck in between. And the truth is, this has nothing to do with luck. Now think about your parents. They worked hard their entire life. They sacrificed their dreams. They saved every rupee they could just to give you a better future. But even after 20 or 30 years of working, many people still struggle financially. Why? Because no one ever taught them how money actually works. We are taught how to earn money, but never how to grow it. And this creates the biggest problem. Most people confuse income with wealth. They believe that a high salary means they are rich. But salary is not wealth. If you stop working today, your income stops. That is not freedom. Then comes the biggest trap of all, the EMI lifestyle. A phone on EMI, a car on EMI, a house on EMI. Slowly, your entire life becomes a series of monthly payments. You think you own these things, but in reality, they own you. Another major reason is the lack of financial education. In school, we learn subjects like math, science, and history, but no one teaches us about investing, saving strategies, or building assets. So people earn money, but don't know how to manage it. And then comes fear. The middle-class mindset is to play safe. Don't take risks. Don't invest. Just save money. But saving alone will never make you rich, because over time, inflation silently reduces the value of your money. And finally, social pressure. People spend money to look rich instead of becoming rich. Expensive phones, branded clothes, big weddings, all to impress others. Now here is the turning point. Breaking this cycle is possible, and it does not require a huge salary. It requires a shift in thinking. First, start learning about money. Understand investing, budgeting, and the difference between assets and liabilities. Even a few minutes every day can change your financial future. Second, pay yourself first. Before you spend anything, save a portion of your income. Not what is left, but first. Third, avoid unnecessary EMIs. Ask yourself one simple question. Do I really need this, or do I just want it? Fourth, start investing early. Even small amounts can grow over time. Consistency matters more than the amount. And finally, build multiple sources of income. Do not depend on a single salary. Because true financial freedom comes when your money starts working for you. Remember this. Being middle class is not permanent. It is just a phase. And the moment you understand money, you start moving forward. If you found this valuable, subscribe to the channel, because here we talk about real-life money lessons in the simplest way possible. See you in the next video.